Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to post a 3-minute video on TikTok like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. As you know, TikTok recently introduced this new change in their app where you can now upload a 3-minute video on your account. However, there is a catch. In order to upload a 3-minute video, you need to record the 3-minute video outside of TikTok. So you can use your camera app on your iPhone or your Android phone to do that. So let me show you how to do it. So on your phone, open the camera app and record your 3-minute video. It can be done in one go or it can be a series of videos. Now open your TikTok app, tap on the plus sign to enter in the TikTok recording screen. Now tap on upload at the bottom right of the screen. This will open up your camera roll. Choose your video which you recorded earlier. If you have multiple videos, then choose the ones you want to include in it. If the total duration of the video exceeds 3 minutes, TikTok will only let you choose the 3 minute of that total video. Select your video and tap on next. Now, if you want TikTok to automatically create you a musical video, then select your music at the bottom. If you want manual control, then tap on default. A timeline should appear at the bottom. As you can see, the videos I've selected has exceeded 3 minutes and TikTok has selected the first 3 minutes of the video. Using the red slider, I can adjust from the front and from the back of the video. I can move the whole red bar to select what 3 minutes of videos I want to include in my video. At the very bottom, you can rearrange your videos if you have multiple videos. By long pressing on any of the videos, you can move it to the front or to the back or to the middle. Once you've configured that, tap on next. Now on this screen, you can add your music, effects, text, and stickers to make the video more interesting. You even have an option to add a voiceover where you can record your voice to give a commentary of what is happening. Once you're done editing the video, then post it on TikTok. And that is how to post a 3-minute video on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.